What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from yet another new location, Lock Hugh. And this is where they have Thunder Dolphin. Yeah, as you can see it, we're gonna go check it out and some other stuff. Let's go.
You wanna come? I don't wanna do this.
This is amazing.
Let's sing around.
Dude, okay, so I'm telling you, so after we hang out here for a bit, we should go to...
Dude, the other park is gone. I don't see the other park.
It took.
Another SD card. This one is not compatible.
I have one.
You have one? Can I see yours?
There it goes.
Here we go. Oh, they're done.
I don't know if that would work. Dang it. Since this one's not compatible. Let's do HD. Alright, we're just going to HD so quick.
Oh, so far. I'm gonna call works then.
When you get done with, you already took the lens off, I was like, can you look in that gray building and see? You can see the flume that goes through the middle of the mall too.
Number one.
I gotta say, the observation wheel has gotta be a great view too.
It really is, yeah. What'd you get to drink?
Jack and Cokes.
We all got some.
Oh, yes.
Valley.
I got a Lemmy.
So funny.
Maybe I'm not feeling the same. I hope it tastes different.
That's what I mean. You write it and you're like, yeah, and then, oh.
Yeah. So what I think we do is we go down there, film a little bit on the ground, because it looks like you can stand.
All right, who wants to make a guess?
180.
Nope.
160.
210.
262.
What?
With a 218 foot first drop.
What? Hypercoaster. This is a hypercoaster?
It's 80 miles an hour.
What?
What the hell?
Well, look where we're at though. If you're up that high, when you're down there, it's going to look a lot.
I mean, I guess it kind of looks pretty close to Millie, like.
You have no sense of...
Where's Jeremy? They're already in. Are they riding it already? I don't know.
guys, we just had a chance to do Thunder Dolphin. This has been a bucket list coaster for me for years and years and years, and I can finally say it's complete. Ride is incredible. I can honestly say it's a ton of fun. First half of it, tons of good speed, some decent G's, but being in the middle of a city on top of a building is incredible. Second half of the ride is, it's okay. It's a little slow, but scale of 1 to 10 on this one, I'm gonna give it probably an 8 to an 8.5. Just an awesome ride to finally say it's complete, bucket list done. And if you ever get a chance to come to Tokyo, you have to do Thunder Dolphin. I know. I have my own coaster. It's called Back.
I got your back, Dan.
You have my Back Daaan? See, this one is called Back Daaan. Yeah. So here we go. Back Daaan. Alrighty guys, so we just had a chance to do Panic Coaster Back Daaan, and what the was that? Really don't know how to describe it other than it was pretty amazing. So you start out, I was sitting in the front row, you launch forwards, and then it goes into this really dark, big room. You can't see too much, and then it launches again, so that's your second launch. And then somehow you end up back in the station where you originally were, but you're the opposite direction, like the train is flipped. So you wait there for a second, a little animation plays, and then you launch backwards. And now after this, all the lights are on, and it looks like a mini disco rave in there. And I don't know how to say other than Gerstlauer's done some craziness with this ride. And you do the second launch, or what would be the fourth launch now. My face was literally like Pikachu Pokemon's shock face stuff. I don't know how to describe it other than that. I really want to do it again. In fact, I may have to do it again, I'm sorry. But this ride, Back Daaan Panic Coaster, I would give it probably a 9, 9.5. Japan has some crazy indoor coasters, and this is by far the best one I have ever done, I would say. A couple of the other attractions here, we have Kids Hacker, which is a frog hopper. Then we have Bun Bun. Yeah, it's a ride that kind of swivels and turns around like that. But that's here. They have a pirate ship right over there. And then we have these little kind of go-kart taxi things right here to go around the track. And now we're about to do the hubless observation wheel, known as Big O. Big O.
It must be very hot in there.
So Big O has this neat feature where there's a karaoke car, and that's what these guests are doing right now. You can see the little microphone on there. Apparently you go inside, do karaoke.
third wheel of the trip?
This is only my second.
No, I mean, oh, that's right. Okay.
Fast food, Chinese and Asian restaurants, and Western-style restaurants.
You know, this isn't going to be as good at night because you can't see that. You can see barely anything.
Oh, but it's better now. Holy frick, look at this view ahead of us.
Wow.
That's incredible.
Oh, that's the lift right there. I see. Okay. We're right at the top right now.
Update the vlog.
Yeah, good idea.
Awesome. Really, really enjoyed it. Great park. It's really pretty at night, as you can see. I've never seen it in my entire life.
Yeah, it's 1,050 acres.
Yeah. Okay. Let me know if you see this. You see? You see it? You see it?